Hi! In front of me is REALME X7 Max, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view on this device. Firstly, open an app like Play Store, then click Home button and tap on this button with 3 lines. Now tap on these 2 dots at the top right corner of your app and select Floating Window. As you can see, now I can use my app in this little window over here and even move it around. If you wish to move it, hold this line over here and place your window whenever you want to. You can even use it to overlay other apps. If you wish to go back, just click on this little window over here and tap on the top right corner of it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!